Hey guys, this is Scott, and if you're just now seeing me, welcome to my channel, Escape Art by Scott. And I'm here to do another painting video for you here today. And again, subscribe to that channel for me, guys, and share the video, and keep hitting that old like button. That will help me out tremendously. So, to get right to it here, this is a 16 by 20 canvas here, and I'm going to go ahead. And my last video was a springtime video, and I thought I'd do another one. It seemed like I got a few likes on my last video about just a springtime looking painting, so I thought I would do another one. Again, this is going to be a very quick video, so hopefully I can get all this in just one shot. And I'm going to go ahead and mist this top. Let's get right to it. Because the canvas is ready. I got all my paints laid out, they're ready, I'm ready, and I know you are, so let's get right to it. Got me some old white paint on my brush here, just come right up here to the top. Now if y'all are just seeing me for the first time, just check out my other videos, and you will understand what I'm doing here. And I'd like to add that I do have a channel on Instagram. Again, Escape Art by Scott. I got all my painting. That's all I have on my Instagram. It's just my painting that I've done. And if you're interested in taking a little look-see at that whenever you get some time, by all means, take a little look-see. I'm going to wipe some of that paint off, just wipe it off here. And I'm going to go right into some phthalo blue. This nice little bright blue. And just come right up in here and do something like this. I don't get too technical with my skies here. Some folks, they try to, I don't know, make it too scientifically. Like you need an engineering degree or something, a degree in science. And the way I paint, it's not like that at all. And just get me a little dry brush here, working my way up. And just blend this out right here. And keep some areas with no paint, some area heavy paint. And this will automatically give you the sky different shades of blue, as you can see. Don't overblend this, because you can blend it to where it's just one solid color, and I don't want that. Alright, I'm going to turn the camera off now and take a look at it, see what I need to add and whatnot, and I'll be right back. Alright, got my sky in where I want it. Now I want to come back and put the grass in, lightly mist that, so this right here will go on a little smoother for me. And this right here is a mixture of sap green and some yellow. Now I want to come right into some plain old sap green for this bottom here. Maybe a little wetter. Right. Alright. I think I'm going to a little hill right here. So drop it in, just a little hill, just a little bump right there. See how it changes that? Just that little bit right there. Maybe just a tiny one right here. There it is. Now you might not want no little heels in your paint. Don't put it in there. No problem. No problem at all. Yeah. Right. I want to start with my trees right back here. I already started one. Had to figure out a few things, but using my fan brush for this one, and a little different little trees here. All I'm going to do is just touch it, and then go on each side of it, and just touch. I think we've all seen these type of trees before. Again, this is a summer type painting. Alright. Now I got me another fan brush. I'm going to do some purple here. Again, just touch it and kind of just push it. Like that. Again, these little trees right here can be too far away. For much detail. Don't worry about the bottom, because we're going to come back with some green and cover that right on in there. And I'm going to continue doing this, and I'm going to throw out some pink up here, but you guys got the idea. So alright, so I'll be right back. When I come back, all this is going to be filled in with trees. But I'm just going to do them all the same way. Now I'm going to work on this side of this pink tree here, and I'm going to go up just a little bit further up, because this tree here is going to be a little closer. All you do is just hit it. Let it come a little further down also. Like that. There's going to be some kind of a spring painting here. That one. But you got the idea. Alright, let me cut off the camera and let me fill this in a little bit more. I'll be right back. Pretty much through my trees right through here. I'm going to put a few more in here. But I got to looking. I think it'd be a nice little spot right there for a nice sun. So I'm going to put in a sun. I just got me some white paint on my fan brush that I've been using. And I'm just going to come in here and just something like that. And I'm going to come back here with a filbert, nice little dry filbert brush, because I want to put in the aura of the sun, the glow of the sun first. And that's what this is about. Just nice little bow. And I might probably going to put it in some nice little clouds up here too as well. Alright. I just got my little paint on my finger here, and I'm going to put it drop in a nice little sun. Something like that. And then you can sculpt it a little bit just by doing that. There. Right. I think I'll put me at some few little clouds up there, but I need to let this dry a little bit more. So I'd like to give you guys a little did you know little thing here. Talking about the sun and the moon. Let's say the moon. I was in many moons. I put little moons in my paintings at at night and all. And to give you a little trivia on that, do any of you know how far the moon is from the Earth? Well, I looked it up, and the moon is, believe it or not, it is 238,900 miles from us, the Earth. Now, to put that in perspective, between us, the Earth, and the moon, you can have 30 Earths lined up. And that's how far it'll reach out, to the moon. That's the distance between the moon and us. Now, you think that's far? The sun, I just put it here, okay? The moon is 238,000 miles away. The sun, 92 million miles away. 92,960,000. 92 million miles away. Now, how many Earths is that? That is 1,000. No, let me get it right now. 1,300,000 Earths between us and the sun. That's incredible. Because sometimes it gets hot where I live at, so hot you think the sun is just right there. You can reach out and touch it. It's so hot here at times. But just to give you guys a little trivia on that. Alright, let me be right back. I'm about to put some clouds up in here. Let's come right up in here. And I just got an old filbert brush here. And all, the thing about clouds, you need to keep that thing moving. Keep it moving. Because if you don't move it and you put it right here, see, all you got is that, a little cotton ball in the sky. Just, if that happens, no big problem, just add another one here. Alright. Just a few little floaters here. Another one right here. That. Alright. Now below each of these clouds here, just dap in just a little bit of blue. And we're going to blend this out here. Just a little bit of that blue. Alright. Come right here and just blend that out. Okay, if you look at clouds, that's, you know, at the very base of the cloud, you got that little blue area. And I want to have a little blue area here. So I want to step back and see what I got, see if I need to add a few more clouds. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I got my clouds up here. I want started right here, putting in some, I don't know what do you call it, you know, just the leafy trees. Right through here. Let's see, come right over here. Something like that. Maybe one right up in here. I told you down this one right here, this is going to be a sure enough spring painting. Again, letting this brush do all the work for me. There. So I kind of like these colors I use because they blend in with one another. You know what? You know, the pink, the white, purple. They all blend in pretty good here. There. Again, I'll come right back here with these trees and just there. Now they look right. Through here. There it is. I notice, guys, how I got this. You know, I have it coming out like that. You know, this is a smaller area, and I kept that coming out wider and wider, and that was on purpose to give that illusion of distance. You know, you're standing here, it's going to take some time for you to walk all the way back there. Okay? Now let's say if I just didn't do that, and I just went straight across the bottom of the tree, all these trees were at a level spot, you know, then it wouldn't look right. Okay? So remember that. I got my little liner brush here. Now I want to come in here and start putting these little tree trunks in here. One there, maybe one here, wherever. You got the idea on this here. That ain't nothing to do with these little tree trunks. But I'll be right back. I've doubled over my fan brush. Here is a lighter color and a darker color sand green, a lighter green. And let's say there's a big old bush right here. Well, there is now. And you just come right in here. Drop that little bush in. things in here. A little flick. Right. Maybe there's something right here. There. Maybe, this is gonna be, some wildflowers or something right here. Something. Again, let this brush do all the work for you. There. I got me a little filbert. I'm gonna just come right in here. I'm gonna put me some wildflowers in, something like that, right on the tip. Look at this here. All you're doing is just touching. Maybe some pink flowers here. There's all kinds of things going on in here. All kinds of stuff. I'm going to continue on doing all that. Alright? And I think I'm going to call this one finished. I'll tweak this. I'll put a little more flowers in there and things. Hope you like this one. Another spring painting. I hope you like it. And I hope you come back and see me. Again, guys, subscribe to that channel, Skate Art by Scott, and share it for me. And hit that old like button. And until next time, you guys take care of yourselves. Come back and see me.